सारे जहां से अच्छा ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी गुलिस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी गुलिस्तान हमारा। मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बीर रखना, हिंदी है हम वतन है सारा जहां हमारा। यूनान मिस्र रोम सब मिट गए जहां से, आसान नहीं मिटना नामो निशान हमारा। Dear viewers, today my contents about the songs and the Iqbal poetry, and please subscribe my YouTube channels Quart Talent Show. आप लोग मेरा YouTube चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें, ज़रूर लाइक करें, क्योंकि प्लीज़ आज के कार्यक्रम में मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें, because Iqbal's like to his all the subcontinents, all the Hindustani, because he was born in these civilizations in theirs, in east, north to west, because his poetry you see westerns different cultures, he narrates his poetry, and therefore I revise Iqbal poetry and Iqbal's all information about Iqbal's and हिंदुस्तान के मतलब जो है वो हमरे के मुल्क अपने मन की लगना से, अपने मन की रचना से जो है अपने देश से वो मोहब्बत करते हैं। तो वो एक जगह कहते हैं, he written supports his homelands where he live and his own country where just like to ए हमारा ए फसले किशोर हिंदुस्तान चूमता है तेरी पेशानी को झुके आसमां, तेरा just like to his poems tasveer dard his poetry Iqbal's one others रुलाता है तेरा नजारा हिंदुस्तान मुझको के इबरत खेज़े तेरा फसाना सब फसानों में, वतन की फिक्र करना दा मुसीबत आने वाली है, वतन की फिक्र करना दा मुसीबत आने वाली है, तेरी बर्बादियों की मशवरे हैं आसमानों में, ना समझोगे तो मिट जाओगे ए हिंदुस्तान वालों, ना समझोगे तो मिट जाओगे हिंदुस्तान वालों, तुम्हारी दास्तां तक भी न होगी दास्तानों में। Iqbal poetry, he was poets, Indians, Tarana Hindi poetry, he national poetry is a poem just like to सारे जहां से अच्छा है हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं ये, हम बुलबुले हैं उसकी गुलिस्तान हमारा। uh, dear, this all our homelands, because Iqbal's study to Western civilizations, Eastern civilizations, he was aware to or his homes in homes where he live, his all the plannings of futures he was, and he gave to great lessons in his own country, because some one are destroying innocent minds, and see law, because we should love our country, our take care of its soil, its lands. In these lessons, all Hindustani, all our own country, and all about. Please subscribe my YouTube channels, and these all poetry Iqbal's, and he give to get motivations. I give to that, go to motivational lectures and singing, just like to Iqbal poetry. My also means for to motivate, and all the poetry, all the Indians all songs about the all the poets, which motivates to all our own Awakans nations, to Awakans. Please subscribe one again, and give to comments for these all the Indian poetry. Thank for watching.